Hey guys, so right now I'm outside on the lot here at Randy Kuehl Honda in Cedar Rapids, Iowa, and I'm going to talk to you guys about one of the common questions I've been getting is how do I reset my tire pressure monitoring system. Now as you're watching this video, keep in mind there's two different kinds of systems, all right? It really comes down to the model that you have and trim level. So there's a direct and there's an indirect, and I'm going to show you guys how to indicate which one you have and how to reset it. I got some great examples right here behind me, so stay tuned. Here we go. All right, step one, you got to find out, do you have a direct or an indirect system, okay? So for example here, we have a 2020 Honda Civic LX. You walk up to any tire, all right? It's a nice little visual to tell you which system do you have. We find the stem valve, it's plastic and rubber, so you have an indirect tire pressure monitoring system. So what that means is when that tire light goes off, it's telling you to get out here and check your tire pressure from that point, and then make sure it's up to sniff, all right? Now, if it's not, you got to adjust accordingly. Then I'm going to show you here in a moment how to reset that after you're done so, because it's just a reminder for you to make sure you're maintaining your tire pressure. Now, with a direct tire pressure monitoring system, for example, we have a 2020 Ridgeline here, RTLE. All right. Once again, walk up to any of these given tires, right here on the back one. You can see this is not plastic, all right, and rubber is all metal. They also have a little plate, pressure plate inside of that that's going to measure that there for you. Okay, you also have fuel assist with this. So as you fill this up, bring it up to where it needs to go, it's going to give you audible and a visual saying, hey, we're at that tire pressure you need to be at. It's going to give you a little beep. It's going to give you a little light flash for about 5 seconds from that point. Now let's show you how to reset these, all right? All right, so I just got into the 2020 Honda Civic LX. You can tell this has a smaller screen from that. It's not a touch screen, okay? Let's kind of start it up. This Honda Civic is going to have an indirect tire pressure monitoring system. So what that means again, so every time that tire pressure light comes on, you have to get out there and confirm what your tire pressure is at. It's just a little courtesy as a reminder, hey, get out there and double check it, okay? So you get your little menu button down over here. Everything you're going to do is at the steering wheel, okay? Hit the menu button. A lot of times your guys are going to be looking from right here. Just hit that button, go up to this little gear, settings, select vehicle settings. First thing that's going to pop up is going to be your tire pressure monitoring system calibration. That's what you want, okay? So hit enter. It's going to do this little blue action. You can scroll again, scroll down to calibrate. Hit that. Then down below it's going to tell you calibrated has started, all right? That's it. So you just continue driving. The light will go off, then you're all set. Let's move on to the next one. All right, guys, so right now I'm standing outside of a 2020 Honda CR-V Touring model. This is going to be the top of the line with all the bells and whistles. First thing you want to do is walk up to the tire. You can see which one you have. The stem valve right there is going to be indirect tire pressure monitoring system. Now to reset that, it's going to be a little different than that Civic, just because it has that touch screen, all right? So you got into the car, everything's loaded up. Hit home, go to your home menu, settings, vehicle. First thing that pops up right there is your TPMS, tire pressure monitoring system calibration. Select that, hit calibrate. Tire pressure light is going to go off, reset. It's that easy. Let's go up to the next one. So now we are outside of a 2020 Honda Ridgeline RTLE. First thing you want to do again is walk up to your tire. Any tire will do the trick. Right down there is the stem valve. Not plastic, not rubber, it's metal, so therefore you have a direct tire pressure monitoring system, which is going to have a sensor on the inside to let you know which tire is low. Now, I got the car on, car is in park. You come right in here, check out on your display. You got some buttons down here below that you can navigate through that. Kind of select down. There we go. So now we know which of the 4 tires are going to be low. You got a little indicator, you know, if it's 32, hey, we'll say 32 on the top right. Okay, so now we'll go out there, you fill it up. The cool thing about this, you got the fuel assist as well. So what that means is when the car's running and it's in park and you get your tire pressure where it needs to be at, it's going to give you a little beep noise and a little light flashing for 5 seconds to let you know it's at where it needs to be at. So that's the difference between the two systems. If you guys have any other questions, feel free to contact me, Crazy Honda Chris here at Randy Kuehl Honda, or our service department as well, or you can drop a comment down below. If you guys found this video helpful, please feel free to show your support by hitting the like and subscribe button. All right, thank you again, guys, for your support. You guys enjoy your day. This is Crazy Honda Chris, putting dreams in driveways.